Hello audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 71 and the first one is pragmatic. So hakikat pasandana. Next one so it's meaning opinionated, practical, realistic, or something which is a matter of facts. Next one, preconditions. So prerequisite, a condition that must be fulfilled before other thing can happen or to be done. Next one, uh, uh, gubernatorial, so something which is relating to governor. Next one, squabbling, so uneasy altercation or fight or quarrel usually over a petty matter or nonsensical matters. Next one, clandestine, so hupia torpe, something which done secretly, surreptitious, underhanded, or in a covert manner. Another opinion in the name of In Guns We Trust, and this opinion has been written by Asad Rahim Khan in Dawn. So the first one is Sudafed, so a decongestant, a relieving nasal congestion. Decongestant are those medication which cause the relief of congestion inside air passages, especially in lungs. And these are basically, in simplest words, we can say cup syrup, because these cause the release of sputum or fluids from the nasal passages. Next one, ensues, so result, emerge, develop, or derive. Next one, patron, so sarparasti, sponsor, donor, or contributor. Next one, bowing, so to show dislike or disapproval of someone or something. We can also say bow, B-double-O. So bow stands for to show dislike or abhor or hate towards other people. Next one, hissing, so to say something in a loud or angry whisper. Next one, gargoyle, so Parnala, a person with an ugly face. Next one, bearable, so tolerable, supportable, sustainable, endurable, kabile bardasht. Next one, states, so immediately without any delay. Most of the time when in emergency a patient come to ICU or emergency ward, so doctor prescribe mostly states medication. States medication are those medication which should be infused, which should be injected on the spot immediately without any delay, because if there is any delay, so there will be a huge a disaster or a loss. So that's why states in medical term we say to immediately. And now some statistics, so about 4% of the world population owns 42% of the world guns, and United States and the people of the United States are those people which kept the highest number of guns. Guns are also a common culture in third world countries like Sudan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, as well as in Chile, Myanmar, such countries like that. Next one, prettier, so something which is large and impressive. Next one, awash, so containing large amount of someone or something. Another meaning, flooded. Next one, lakes, so sust, dila, not strict enough. Next one, conducive, so good for, helpful, or productive of. So something which is useful, so simply we can say conducive. Now some important points, and that is the Article 256 of the Constitution of Pakistan. So there are 280 articles in the Constitution of Pakistan, and Article 256 stands for, even goes as far as forbidding private armies. So in Pakistan, no one can keep a private army or armed forces. without state permission. And simply, there is no permission to keep a private army. Army will be only under the supervision of the state. And next one, gutter. So spillway, channel, drain, or trench. And next one, ha. So necessitating membrane or third eyelid, just like in birds. And the last one is spout. So the meaning of spout is to eject, to erupt, or expel. So it's all for today, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you and good luck.